Hello my friends. Today we will learn a trick that will change the concept of soldering with your soldering iron. I hope you enjoy watching. After we get the zinc from the battery, we have to add diluted sulfuric acid, 30%. You should do this experiment in an open place while avoiding inhaling the rising fumes. The rising gas is nitrogen gas. Leave the mixture for 4 hours or more until the reaction ends. Now we get zinc sulfate. This item will make you solder anything you want. Have you tried soldering a wire to this battery before? For myself, I tried and it was impossible. But with the addition of a small drop of the liquid we made, it seems very easy. Watch the video until the end and see the results for yourself. You can also solder a wire to a lithium battery without overheating and exposing the battery to the risk of explosion. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new updates. Thanks for watching.